Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into the Bolson HB100 microwave Doppler radar wireless module motion sensor. This little device promises to detect movement using microwave technology, and we're going to see if it lives up to the hype. First impressions, the HB100 sports a modern style, which is always a plus. It's designed for surface mounting, making installation relatively straightforward. The manufacturer, Bolson, claims a measurement accuracy of plus or minus 5% and a measuring range of up to 20 meters. That's a decent range for many applications, from security systems to automatic door openers. So, how does it actually work? The HB100 emits a microwave signal and then analyzes the reflected waves. If something moves within its range, the frequency of the reflected waves changes. This is the Doppler effect in action. The module detects this change and triggers an output signal. One of the key advantages of microwave motion sensors like the HB100 is their ability to see through certain materials. Unlike passive infrared PR sensors, which rely on detecting heat signatures, microwaves can penetrate things like plastic and thin walls. This means you could potentially conceal the sensor for a more discreet installation. In terms of real-world performance, the HB100 seems fairly responsive. During testing, it reliably detected movement within its specified range. The 20-meter range seems accurate, and the accuracy of 5% seems to hold up. It's worth noting that the detection range and sensitivity can be affected by environmental factors, such as the size and speed of the moving object, as well as the surrounding environment. One thing to keep in mind is that microwave sensors can be prone to false alarms if not properly calibrated or shielded. Things like vibrations or electrical interference can sometimes trigger a response. So, careful placement and potentially some shielding might be necessary in certain environments. Overall, the Bolson HB100 microwave Doppler radar wireless module motion sensor appears to be a solid option for those needing reliable motion detection. Its microwave technology offers some advantages over traditional PIR sensors, particularly in its ability to penetrate certain materials. While it may require some fine-tuning to avoid false alarms, its performance and range are generally quite good. If you're looking for a versatile and relatively easy-to-install motion sensor, the HB100 is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.